Hello, this is homework number 6 for EGR 480, and this is the linear feedback shift register. So this one is a little less straightforward, but it's not too bad. The first thing we have to do is import our clock. So this is one of the first clocked ones we've done. And then we have to create a 4-bit signal for the register, a number, which is an integer between 0 and 15 to actually store the available numbers. We're actually going to slow the clock down in order to cycle in a way that you can actually see. And that's done by using a count. So this section of code here is just used to throttle the clock so that we cycle a little bit slower. And then we will start with a loaded register and create a seemingly random sequence of events to produce a pseudo-random string of numbers. So we set one register equal to the previous, do it again, and then we XOR register positions 1 and 2 with just the number 1 and set that equal to our first bit. And then we convert that to a number. In this case, we are going to show 0 through 15 represented through numbers and letters when necessary. The reason we do this is because if we didn't, then half the time it would just be blank. There are no extra files to show for this one, so we will just go straight to the FPGA. Whereas you can see, even though it is starting with a empty vector, it is producing a pseudo-random string of numbers. And this is a pattern that repeats. It doesn't continue being random indefinitely.